Make your food your medicine, not your medicine your food. A little something you could learn from Vegans Approve. You a vegan or you looking for some options that's new? Don't worry, cause I got you, this the right channel for you. Cause it's Vegans Approve, yeah, it's Vegans Approve. You want something to eat, but you don't know what to choose. Go to Vegans Approve, search up Vegans Approve. Head over to the channel, cause I got some good news. Check out Vegans Approve, look up Vegans Approve. You need some advice, they could tell you what to do. Let the Vegans Approve, both the Vegans Approve. They got some healthy tips that you might wanna use.
Hey guys, I'm Shauna.
And I'm Shayon.
And this is Vegans Approve. Welcome to our channel.
So, for this first episode, we're going to be showing you guys 20 things that are accidentally vegan.
First, what's vegan?
Vegan is a person that does not eat anything that comes from animals and only eats plant-based. So, should we start showing those 20 things?
Okay. First on our list today is Lay's potato chips. I know you guys probably think all potato chips are vegan, but unfortunately it's not. But Lay's are.
The classic ones.
Yeah, one of the classic ones.
Also, the Ruffles original ones are vegan too.
Don't get it with sour cream. Sour cream is not vegan. At 2, it says butter lovers, but there's no butter. This is vegan.
You have to make sure you get the butter lovers specifically. Also, Ritz Crackers is also vegan.
Oreos are vegan.
Sour Patch Kids are vegan.
Cinnamon and raisin bagels. I think all the bagels are vegan, but
From this brand, the Thomas brand.
I like cinnamon and raisins, so it's vegan.
Gushers are vegan.
Here we go with all the candies. Skittles. Taste the rainbow. It's vegan.
The Jell-O pudding, they're vegan. But like specifically the pudding, not like the regular like Jell-O.
Nutter butter. Nutter butter?
Nutter butter. Yeah.
It's vegan.
Purple Doritos are vegan, but only the purple Doritos.
Ooh, a classic. Cracker Jack. It's vegan.
Pringles, the original flavor, only the original.
Belvita. What are these? Crackers? Biscuits? What are these?
Biscuits.
They're biscuits?
They're biscuits.
Belvita biscuits. Yummy.
Swedish Fish are vegan.
Fruit by the foot. That's vegan.
Takis are vegan.
Who wants to try some Hershey's chocolate syrup? You can if you're vegan. It's vegan.
And the Twizzlers are vegan too.
So these are 20 items that are accidentally vegan. I guess they weren't made
to be vegan,
but
they ended up being vegan in the long run.
no products in it from animals. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on your post notifications.
Bye.